In this video, we want to see which interval is this function less than or equal to 0. In order to do that, we have to set each factor equal to 0. So starting with x plus 3, set that equal to 0 and get x is negative 3. Next, we'll move on to x plus 2, set that equal to 0 and get x is negative 2. Finally, set x minus 3 equal to 0 and get x is 3. Now we have the zeros for this function, so let's draw a number line. And we want to pick values first to the left of negative 3, so let's say negative 4. Between negative 3 and negative 2, say negative 2.5. Between negative 2 and 3, say 0. And then to the right of 3, say 4. And let's evaluate the function at these x values. So at x equals negative 4, we get y is negative 14. That's a negative. When x equals negative 2.5, y is 1.375. That's positive. When x equals 0, y is negative 18. That's negative. And when x equals 4, y equals 42. That's positive. So now we go back to the original question here. We want to see when this function is less than or equal to 0. Keep in mind, at these points, it's equal to 0. So to the left of negative 3, it's less than or equal to 0. Between negative 3 and negative 2, that's positive, so we don't want to include these, or this interval. From negative 2 to 3, it's negative, so that's good. And then after 3, it's positive, so we don't want to include that. So really, we want to include from negative infinity to negative 3, and between negative 2 and 3. And so that is our answer.